Today I'm making tofu scramble. I like the idea of scrambled eggs. I just personally don't eat eggs, so I'm going to make a really simple, easy version of a tofu scramble. And if you are new to plant-based eating, or if you're new to trying to figure out how to work with tofu, this is a great recipe to get started. So for this recipe, I am going to be using super firm or extra firm tofu. There's 3 different types of tofu. You have a silken tofu, which is more for like custards and sauces. Firm tofu, which you could use for tofu scramble. It'd just be a softer type of a scramble. And then there's an extra firm. I like this because it holds the texture that I'm looking to create when I'm creating my semi-scrambled egg version of by using tofu. So the only thing that really matters here is texture and seasoning. So here I have extra firm tofu. There's no pressing needed. We're just going to crumble this up and put it directly into the hot pan. So let it cook for about 2 minutes to warm up and start drying out. After this has been warmed up, I'm going to do some nutritional yeast. Adding in some cumin, turmeric, garlic powder, a pinch of salt and pepper. I also like to add in a little bit of red pepper flakes. And if you're looking for that eggy flavor, you can add in a pinch of black salt. It's totally optional. I'm skipping it for now. I just add in a little bit of water, just to, if anything starts to stick. Looks like it's ready to go. It looks like a tofu scrambled eggs. Okay, so this is what we're looking for. Like, this is the texture, like a little bit chunky. It's good. Now, if I'm going for like a more traditional style breakfast, I would have it with some toast. I put a little bit of avocado on here too. But the nice thing is, you can really build your tofu scramble. I do like a Mexican style version too, where you can have peppers, add in black beans, and you can add in a bunch of greens. But if you're looking for something basic, this is a nice way to start. The one thing I really love about this meal is tofu scramble. You can use this for leftovers. You can easily just warm it up. So it makes great breakfast. You can have it for lunch, dinner. So it's a nice way to get started with tofu. It's pretty simple, done in under 5 to 7 minutes. So I hope this gives you an easy plant-based option. If you want more recipes like this, make sure to subscribe, and in the comments and description, I have a link to the exact recipe with all the ingredient amounts. Thanks for watching.